Hi, Authentic Nation. Welcome to another session. First and foremost, me have to big up Father God. Like, you know, Hurricane Melissa come and gone. She passed through, and me really have to give thanks. I'm grateful. Say, yeah, my family, them okay. Um, they never really get much damage. And me. You can't even say the same for some parts of the island because, trust me, devastation, like, the videos them are come out now, the aftermath and all of that. And, for even some of the videos them, you can't even watch them, like, people have to go rebuild, And for me, me kind of expect the damages and all of that, but not in areas where me say the most damage. Before the landing, we all know Melissa did shift. When you listen to survivors' story and all of that, like me said, me get to watch a few clippings today. I couldn't watch much because, a whole heap of people lose they lose basically everything, like it bad. And me know people are going to help, but for people out there who want to help, you have to know if you send monetary contribution, food and whatever, like you have to know you have to send or help out. How you can help out, it have to be with people where you can trust. If you are going to help, it have to be with people credible where you send whatever you have. What me can say, me just thankful and glad say, my family go through and then come out and they alright. But I got just share a couple little clippings during and after the aftermath, And just like me say, for some people it could have worse. And yeah, me just give thanks. And so we can go ahead now and watch a couple of the clippings and then say during and after Hurricane Melissa. All right.
Hi! Melissa behave yourself, no girl. Melissa behave your damn self, no girl. Buckler! Why? Basically lose everything. I go start from scratch again. And I don't know how to start. For all our persons that were out there, Jamaica has never experienced anything like this. This is my little brother house. Everything tear down. Alright. Everything basically tear down. See here, mash up. Everything basically rip up. This is a time where if I know more than ever, I'm gonna need help from the subscriber and the persons them who support what we are doing. And now at time we are gonna need all the help. it. Cause see there. This is one of my house. Everything mash up. See there, everything mash up. See our TV mash up, everything mash up. Jamaica unrecognizable. I swear to God, never. One night time for movie, I know, I swear. People, I have never seen anything like this before, I swear to God. I could almost lose all my two brothers them last night because they have run out the house when they broke down. See all my car there? The car mash up. Car mash up completely. What go on? May I tell you, brother?
This here. Once one just drop in the water and one find it.
What?
My little girl. Watch them.
Watch out. Put man go so.
Watch your woman. This is my woman.
Oh, you know.
Yo.
She now find us.
I can't even go in. I know all of them workplace flood out.
What is that one?
No, they're folks. They're folks. Watch out. Shall I drop in now? Crossroad.
God. Help Jesus.
Okay, Authentic Nation, this is all I have to share for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can put your thoughts in the comments as usual. All right, let us continue to pray for our island and for our survivors out there. And, hope and pray they get the help that they need. And I mean, whatever way you can help out, you can go ahead and do that. But, it's going to take a time for them build back, and we just praying. And we know with the help of God, them are go make it through, Because that's what we do. We bounce back. Until the next session, bye for now.